Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you free 95 OVR PELE, how to challenge OVR quest in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the news update first. As you can see, Festa Junina. Festa Junina celebration. So we join Brazil in celebrating beloved tradition. Dive into the spirit of Festa Junina, nationwide celebration happening throughout June, featuring a new set of quests and store overs. So complete every quest to be rewarded with 95 OVR thoughts icon PELE. So you can get free PELE by tap the quest, and this is the OVR quest. Total there are 5 tasks that you can challenge. The first one is you have to claim 14 login rewards, so you can claim by 14 days consecutively log in this game. So the second one, you have to win 30 division rifle matches, so the reward is you get 90 and 92 OVR Brazilian mixed version player. Rank up your player 5 times. I already rank up 4 times, one more. Challenger, you can play 15 challenges. You can go to the challenge mode to play some challenge there, and also watch 15 ads. So after you complete all the tasks in 2 weeks, you get free PELE. So please free to try challenge yourself in this OVR quest. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.